So you've launched an outbound call campaign, but what should you do to optimize it and analyze its performance? Well, if you use MightyCall, you will go straight to the reports and open the Campaigns tab. Let me show you what's there. The Campaigns tab features your outbound campaign's performance. Here, you'll see the name of each campaign and its status. Now, the metrics here are really intricate, with the most important ones being connection rate, average wait time, average handle time, and abandon rate, among others. To exclude any ineffective calls, we all know they can happen pretty often during campaigns, set up the effective call duration minimum here. To get more conclusive insights into your campaign performance, you'll need to look at the Dispositions tab. Simply put, call dispositions are tags assigned to a call to categorize its outcome. Think of them as the summary notes for every interaction during your outbound campaigns. System dispositions show the exact reason why the call wasn't connected, whether the contact didn't answer or the number was invalid, and so on. While agent dispositions are customized call outcomes that are manually selected by agents after each call. They're usually something like successful call, not interested, or call back later. The disposition report is usually based on agents, but it can be changed in the settings here, as well as selecting which dispositions you want to appear in your report. Write in the comments or contact our support team if you have any questions. Happy calling!